Here's how to change your username on TikTok. Now, if you haven't already, open up the TikTok app and get to your profile at the very bottom right. You can see I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the same steps on Android. Now, you'll be able to see both your name and username here. Keep in mind, your name does not have to be unique. It can be whatever you want it to be, but your username is unique and no one else can have it. Now, to change that username, you can see the edit button here. Just tap on edit. And now you can see username. You can see under it is tiktok.com/@TrevorNace1. This is my link and it's tied to that username. So I can update the username and it will update the link associated with it. However, keep in mind, if I choose something like Trevor Nace, it says, sorry, couldn't update your username, try a different one. This is because it has to be unique. No one else can have the exact same username on TikTok. After you've changed it, keep in mind you cannot change it after 30 days, and it has to basically contain letters, numbers, underscores, and periods, and nothing else. Now, again, after you've updated that username and hit this save button, if you go back out of here, you'll be able to copy that new profile link associated with the link and the username you just chose.